Hello and welcome to Insider Week. My name is Schulz. I'm a professional commodities and futures trader. I've been trading a trading strategy based on COT data from Commitment of Traders report since 2014. On my website you will find all the statistics about my trading results. As you can see, I trade two strategies, COT1 trading strategy and COT2 trading strategy. The second one is more aggressive, more for advanced trader. So with the COT1 trading strategy, I made an all-time high on my trading account, $873,000. The weekly result is $6,775. And based on COT2 trading strategy, I made a loss of $6,309. Let's have a look at trades I made last trading week. So I start with a risk disclaimer. Please be careful. Futures trading is a risky business. So all your information you will find here. So let's have a look at my portfolio. At the beginning of the trading week, the portfolio was empty and I finished the trading week with two positions in my portfolio. Lean hogs, 14 contracts long, open profit now $3,500, and silver, 7 contracts short, open loss now $305,000. Weekly trading results $6,775. So now I trade with 2% risk. So you can see here my risk table. So this is my watch list I started with in the last trading week. So as you can see, I had a lot of markets on the buy side for long trades and only 2 markets for short trades. Let's start with the first market, British pound. So at the beginning of the week, we had an issue with Trade Navigator with COT data where we didn't have COT data in Trade Navigator, so it was not able to analyze the COT data in the common way how we do it every week. So we got the COT data I think Wednesday, and Wednesday we did our COT signal analysis or COT data analysis, and we found that we got a sell signal in British pound, but we already opened a long position and was stopped out on Wednesday because we planned this trade a day before. We always planned trades the day before. So, and we was triggered, and I was triggered and stopped out on the same day with a loss of $70,325. This is 2% of my trading account, COT1 trading account. So let's have a look at other trade. Crude oil, we got there a buy signal based on COT data analysis, but we decided to trade heating oil because heating oil, as you can see on this chart, so breakout of a range. So this market was stronger than crude oil, and I decided to open here a long position to use the correction for opening a long position. So after I analyzed portfolio in COT1 and COT2 trading account, so I realized that I have too much open risk, and so it was necessary to reduce risk. So I decided to close heating oil because this position was in minus. It was not so successful trade at beginning of Thursday. So as you can see, the market increased, the price increased last 2 days of the week, but I didn't know that before, so you don't know that before. But my goal was to reduce risk, and I decided to close the position with a loss and to let a position with a profit run. So on the position with the profit was a position in S&P 500, a mini future. So this was a successful trade because we got a buy signal in trend direction based on COT data. So on the daily chart we got a correction, end of correction, and we decided to open a long position. I was in the trade 3 days and made a profit of $30,400. So on the last trade, silver, this is an open position. So we got a sell signal on weekly chart based on COT data. So we switched to daily chart, waited for a trend change. As you can see, we have a downward trend on daily chart. waited until a correction. So, and after correction ends, so I open a short position with 7 contracts. So, and as you can see, we got an inside bar on Friday. So we don't know for sure in which direction the market will go next week, but our stop is in the market, and therefore, yeah, we have done with this trade. So lean hawks, so also an open position. So I have some problems with to trade meats. So as you can see, other meat markets, the price in other meat markets increased last week, but not in lean hawks. So yeah, but I made this trade based on my setup. So I got buy signal based on COT data. So as you can see on daily chart, we are in a upward trend. So I waited until a correction and opened a long position in direction of trend with 14 contracts. I'm long in this trade, but as you can see, I miss here some strong momentum or trend continues. So this is the market went sideways last 3 days. I don't like that, but okay, our stop is in the market. So maybe next week the market will continue. Otherwise, I have to reduce risk and maybe place the stop loss closer to the market. In other markets, I didn't do any trades because our conditions, we had no right conditions in the market. So it means no right timing, so no entry pattern, or the market went in other direction, or in grains we waited until a report. So a grain stock report on Friday. So as you can see now, we see the correction in which the grain markets will go next week. So we can plan our trades. So based on this information. So also here soybean meal, same pattern here, and so on. So next trading account, startup trading account. This is a small account. The account size is $30,000. So I made on this account a trade in British pound, 2 contracts. I traded on this account, and I was stopped out. It was the same trade as based on COT1 trading strategy I showed you before. So in the last was $843. So I traded 2 contracts. In the same time, I opened a position in micro A-mini S&P 500 futures. So I'm in position with 2 micro contracts, and the position now has an open profit of $747. So how I want to manage this position, I will explain in my trading plan, and I will post this trading plan for my members. COT2 trading strategy. This is a more aggressive trading strategy. I started in the last trading week with an empty portfolio, and end of the week, as you can see, I have 3 positions, 3 trades in my portfolio, 3 open trades, lean hogs, heating oil, and silver, and the weekly result is minus $6,309. So these are the stats of the strategy, and this is the equity curve and the risk table. So as you can see, I trade 4% risk. So based on this strategy, so let's have a look at the trades. So the first trade, heating oil. So I opened here a long position. So, and after the market went against me, so I decided to reduce this position, and reducing of position produced a loss of $1,599, but I'm still with 1 contract long in the market. So, and as you can see, I have 6 contracts on my stop. This is because I planned also if the market trend the change from upward trend to downward trend. So I will open a 5 short contracts in this market. Therefore, I have here on my stop loss order 6 contracts short. So next trade, S&P 500. As you can see, I exit too early, but yeah, you know that always you know that after it happened. So as you can see, So I closed after, so I was in position 2 days. I closed the position, made a profit of $10,024. So, but big Friday, I missed big movement on Friday. So, but this is not a problem, because so I managed the position in my portfolio in terms of risk. So, and on Thursday, the decision was correct. So to close the position, to make some profit. So, and to be prepared in case of if other positions made some loss. So then overall, I will not. I would not make a big loss. So therefore, it was the right move to close the position on Thursday. But on Friday evening, so the picture was different. So this is trading. So next trade, Euro FX. So as you can see, I'm not successful in this market. So first trade was stopped out, second trade was stopped out. So the loss is $10,774. So the market went sideways. Now I don't have a clear direction in this market. So therefore I will stay on the sideline. So I will not trade currencies in next weeks. So until I have a clear direction in currency market. Silver. In silver, I made a loss of $3,960. So I opened a short position. As you can see, on Friday, the market, the price increased, and I decided to reduce the position size. I'm still 3 contracts short in this market. My stop loss is in the market. So, and yeah, next week we will see what happens. So in the last trade, Lean Hogs. So this is the same trade. As I made based on COT1 trading strategy on COT1 trading account. So I'm 14 contracts long in this market. So, and yeah, my stop is in the market. Nothing to do else. We will see next week what happens, and we'll decide Monday before the market close what we want to do with our stop or with our position. Please don't forget to come to webinar, free webinar on Thursday. So you will find all the information below this video in the description. So this is a free webinar. In this webinar, I will show you the trading opportunities for July, and will show you the COT trading strategy. So it will be a very interesting webinar. Please don't miss this opportunity. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for your time. See you next week. And yeah, please be aware of risk and money management. This is the key to success in trading. Your Max Schulz.